So guys, I have taken a one more trade, and this trade is 0.03. So let me tell you why I take this trade. The reason for taking this trade is you can see that market is below the resistance level and it broke the last lowest that the market make. It broke the last market structure and it is going down. So guys, the update on the trade is that we have closed this trade in a take profit. So we have completed our two steps of compounding. Due to I have set the take profit as 26.55, even though I usually wait for the $30, but I think the best time to close this trade is at 26.55. So we have closed in a take profit and our risk to reward is 1 by 3. Right now our balance is $5,058, and I'm also looking for the one more trade to sell here. I'm talking about the gold. So if I take any trade, I will update you guys. So guys, I'm taking one more trade here. The trade is for the gold and the position start would be 0.06. And the reason for taking this trade is very simple. Market broke the structure, market closed the candle below, and market are getting back on this. And if I go on a 15-minute chart, my stop loss would be around here, around here. This is, yes. Yeah, the stop loss would be around here, and I'm taking a short trade here. Let me put the pending order 0.06. It would be around here. My stop loss would be around 2649. 2649. It would be around here. It would be around here. And my take profit would be around it's around 30,2639. I'll update you guys like what would be the result of this trade. Thank you. So guys, the update on the trade is that we have closed the trade in a take profit, and let me show you. It was a really good trade. We was expecting a profit of $30, but I closed this trade in a 36.112. It was a great trade, and right now our balance is $5,094, and this is done. I'm done for this weekend, and I will update you guys on a Monday. Thank you so much.